again, it's Kim. Today I'm going to show you some Chrome security settings. Chrome is the world's most popular browser. It's fast, it's easy to use, but it's not very private. But it's easy to make the changes to secure it for you. There's many extensions that can help you become more private with your internet usage. So anyways, let's get started. Open up Google Chrome. Let's go to right here, the web store. I'm going to show you something. If you can't get to it there, if you don't see it, you click on these little dots, and that gives you all the Google stuff. So you can see there's a lot in here, which you could have a lot of fun in there. Anyways, okay, so we're going to go back to the store. Anyways, here we go. This is kind of like the iTunes store. You know, tons and tons of stuff listed. You could take hours to go through it all, but you can do that later. Right now we are just going to search for some specific ones that will add to our privacy when using Chrome. So click on extensions. We're going to search the store. The first one is called Cookie Autodelete. You don't have to take notes. I'm going to put this in the description, so don't worry about it. Okay, so there's a few different ones. We're going to use this one, Cookie Autodelete, and all you do is click Add to Chrome. It's telling you what it's going to do, and click on Add Extension. Okay, so here's a bunch of settings that you can set. I'm just going to leave everything as is to start with, but later on you could go in and you could whitelist websites that you want to bypass, deleting the cookies, that sort of thing. But for right now we're just going to leave it like that. This little puzzle piece thing shows your extensions. So you can pin it, and that way you'll see it, but if you don't want to see it, you just unpin it and it'll stay in this little puzzle piece thing. Not really sure what it's supposed to be, but okay. Anyway, so that's that one. What the Cookie Autodelete does is obvious what it says. It deletes the cookies when you shut down, leave a site, when you close your browser or just close that tab. So let's see, the next one is going to be AdBlock. So AdBlock right here. Oh, this one. That one's for YouTube. I guess you could have that one too, but this is what we're going to do. So what this does, it blocks pop-ups and ads on YouTube, Facebook, other websites. You can pause blocking really simply. I use it a lot. Anyways, here, we'll add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, so then, this one you probably want to have visible. I'm going to pin that one. Here, they want you to pay. You don't have to. You can do a donation, but you don't have to. But you could always come back and pay if you feel like it's worthwhile. I wanted to show you what it looks like. So if you click on this, you can pause it on all sites. So like if you're on, I notice this a lot on news websites. When I'm reading something, it'll say, oh, you have your ad blocker on. You can either pay or turn your ad blocker off. So you just go and you turn it off. I'll show you what it looks like. Let's say we went to ABC7. I don't know if this is one that does it or not, but okay, oh god. Anyways, now so you go here, pause on this site, you can pause on all, you can block an ad, don't run on this page, don't run on all pages. So you can kind of play with this, but like let's say I just wanted to pause it on this site. The next time I come back, it'll turn it back on. So it's blocking all the ads right now, and the pop-ups and stuff, but as soon as I close this, See, now it's no longer, it's still blocking. Anyways, yeah. So that's that one. The next one we're going to get is Privacy Badger. This learns and gets better as you use it. It sends a do not track to advertisers, and invisible tracking code that's on websites that you visit. So that's one that kind of works in the background. You don't really have to, you can take the tour. I don't know. I don't ever change anything on this one. I just let it run in the background. So it's in here in this little puzzle thing. So you can pin him if you want to. The only one I like having open is that one. Okay, so the last one is called HTTPS everywhere. So this basically adds a level of security on many sites. A lot of some sites it doesn't work, but most of them it will add a security. So this S in HTTPS stands for security. Okay, so what it does is protects against many forms of surveillance and hijacking, and it's another one that works in the background. You don't have to do anything with it. So we're just adding it in here. Get your extensions on. Oh, I don't want to turn that on. But if you had a bunch of computers and you were all running Chrome and you were all signed in, you could turn that on and it would add it to all of them. But we don't need to deal with that right now. Okay, so anyways, that's that. So at any time you can see your extensions by clicking on this little puzzle piece. And look, we've already had 5 cookies auto-deleted when we closed the browser, which is pretty awesome. Let's see if any more come up. Just 5. Okay. So you can always remove these if you like. Like let's say this one, for whatever reason you didn't want, you just go to this 3 little dots and remove. I don't know that you would have any problems with any of these. I haven't run into any problems. I haven't run into any websites that I can't get to, or anything that I want to do has been blocked. So anyways, alright, there's one more thing I want you to do. Click these little 3 dots. Okay, go to settings, and then down here to privacy right here. So cookies and other site data, click this little arrow. We want to block all third-party cookies. So sites can't use your cookies to see your browsing activity across different sites, for example, to personalize ads. So you won't be able to see any difference probably. You probably won't notice it, but they won't be able to use your browsing. The tracking that they usually use to give you ads, like based on if you're, let's say you're shopping for ladders and you go around to a bunch of home stores and you type in ladders all over the place, and then all of a sudden on Facebook you're going to start getting ladder ads. This helps block some of that, so that anyways, I think it's worthwhile. So anyways, that's all the ones I wanted you to do. But you can go back to the home and look, you can get Google Translator. If you use that often, you can add that to your extensions. Same way, add to Chrome, add extension, and then now you can have Google Translate up in here. That might be one that you want to pin so you can see it. There's so many, and you could just go crazy looking at them all. But it's fun, so just take a few minutes, check them out. If you don't like them, just go in and delete them. If they cause issues to you, go in and delete them. If you love them, keep them. Write a review. Anyways, so that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please click like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you soon.